Hi guys, welcome to another Theodoro Kitchen Lab. Today we are going to cook a nice, easy and very tasty risotto with mushrooms, everyone's favorite. So, for this recipe we are going to use 4 different kinds of mushrooms. 2 of them fresh, 2 of them dehydrated. So, today also we have a new partnership with Arcadian Taste. Excellent quality olive oil from Petrina, Peloponnese, one of the best locations in Greece for olive oil, awarded from Greek Taste Beyond Borders with Authentic Taste of Greece for 2021. I highly recommend this product and I suggest you to visit the website and place your orders. Let's go back to the recipe now. So, first thing that we need to do is hydrate the mushrooms. So, for that we're using medium sweet red wine, which after we're also gonna use it in the risotto. So, let's do that and we continue with the rest. So guys, place the shiitake mushrooms dehydrated in the bowl. So that's it. And here we have porcini mushrooms, straight in. So mix them nicely. And now, medium sweet red wine. You can use any type you like, not too sweet. So, and just place it in. I don't know how much wine they're gonna absorb, but I pour around like half a liter. So I'm gonna let them soak as much as they can. After I'm gonna chop them and we're gonna start the recipe with that. So for the fresh mushrooms, we're using champignons and shimeji mushrooms. So let's go cut the shimeji first. So take them out the box, place them on the cutting board. Nice. So you don't, let's put this here. So you don't need to cut a lot of it, like just a little bit the bottom. Yes, that's it. We cut the mushrooms and let's see these ones, how they're doing. They need like, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes like or so to soak nicely, absorb as much from the liquid they can, and all this is gonna be so flavorful inside our risotto like you can't imagine. So I'm also going to use pecorino romano with black truffle and at the end white truffle oil, and I also use chicken stock for that. And for this recipe I'm using chicken stock, which this time I'm cheating. It's ready-made chicken stock cubes and I dissolved it in 2 liters of water. So guys, we are back. The mushrooms, they're ready. They took a little bit more than 10 minutes. Actually, they took 20 minutes. So this the shiitake is ready to cut. So I'm just chopping it. The rest are already cut. So high heat, hot, like I prefer to do my risotto in a pot. And we're gonna start with the onion. We're gonna saute the onion, not too much, we don't want it like too colored, but we want it nice and cooked. So, Arcadian Taste, olive oil goes in, not too much, we're gonna see later. So, nice. nicely chopped, not too fine, but not too big. So we're gonna do the champignons first. It might gonna need a little bit more olive oil, just a touch. Yep, that's it. The next mushroom goes in. Shimeji. That's an interesting name. Shimeji mushroom. Look how small this mushroom is. Crazy. The mushroom slowly taking a little bit of color. We're okay with that. So, a little bit time. We finally chop it. And we throw it in. So we are cooking for 4 people. I'm gonna use 1 pack of rice, arborio, 500 grams. Nice. So now we bring this closer. Yeah, nice. So just drain them. We keep this on the side. We're gonna use it. My God, the smell is so good. I wish I could describe you how beautiful this is. So now, I'm going in with my rice. So arborio rice, 1 pack, 500 grams. So stir everything together. So nice, and now we add some of the leftover wine. Slowly put it in. And now the chicken stock. Nice. Always stir it, add stock as it needs. At the end, we will show. It's nice, rich, beautiful color. So we leave this to boil for a little bit to reach the temperature. And in the meantime, we're gonna do a little bit of our garnish, the red radish. We're just gonna finely slice it as thin as we can. So for that, you need a sharp knife or like a slicer or whatever you have. And like, just like this is we need them a little bit bigger. So this is what we need. So that's what we need. We put this back and we stir this beautiful risotto. I prefer to do it in a pot because For me it cooks better, it keeps them like the moist, like the thickness, it doesn't dry so quick. So at this moment we're gonna add some salt. And a pinch of smoked paprika. So now it's boiling too fast. I lower the temperature, the heat to half of what it was. So we are very close. It took all the water, like 2 liters. It looks like it's almost there. We need it a little bit creamy, so don't evaporate all the water from it, because after that it's not gonna be nice, it's gonna be like too thick. So yeah, you see how it is? Nice. Beautiful, shiny, creamy, nice. So a little bit more. So we are ready. So the heat is off right now, and we are going to add the butter and at the end the cheese. So the butter is cut in small pieces, is in room temperature. The ideal is from the fridge, but room temperature is okay also. We stir the butter in. It also can be a vegan recipe without the butter and the cheese, of course, right? You still have the creaminess and the thickness from the wine, the starch from the rice, so it's nice. If you don't have any problem with vegan, vegetarian or whatever, you can add the butter and the cheese, it's not a problem. Or any other vegan product you like or you prefer. So now we are good. The butter is melting nicely, you still need to stir. And we go in with the pecorino. So this is pecorino with black truffle. So, and a drizzle of white truffle oil. Don't go crazy with that, it's strong. And we're gonna add a little bit at the end also. So now we need to plate it. So a nice spoonful of this. Nice, maybe a little bit more. Beautiful. So that's it. A little bit of the truffle oil. Nice. And so now we are going to put the radishes. And the fresh wild rocket in the middle, like this nicely. And I'm not gonna put this one, that's it. And maybe we can grate a little bit of cheese. So this is it, guys. A great, tasty and easy mushroom risotto. You don't need nothing else, that's it. Easy, tasty and comforting, I can tell. So thank you for watching Theodoro Kitchen Lab. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. We need your support, and thank you also for your support. See you in the next Kitchen Lab.